One thing I noticed that I forgot to add back there was the fact that they do have some lube in it. If I lock the slide back here, you can see this. It was pretty shiny on the inside, but if you wipe your finger on that, where they got the lube, it's like metallic shavings are in there for the milling. So I would plan on cleaning this right away. I can see shavings of metal in there. So before we fire this, I'm definitely gonna give it a wipe down. Okay, we're going to be firing Remington 22 Golden Bullet. These are our round nose, I think. This is all the store had for me to fire. So let's load up the magazine. First time putting bullets in it. Seems pretty straightforward. No, I don't work for Walmart. I used to, and this is a shirt that I got for free, so I'm gonna wear it. I think it holds 10. That seems to stack them in there. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, get out of there. Bastards. 4, 5, 6. Get them a little tight. 7. Oof. 8. Getting very tight. 9. Oh God. 9. What the hell? This is gonna be 9. Fit that fucker in there somehow, one way or another. It's 9. God, I can imagine one more. Let's see. So when we started putting these in here, they were tipping back. No, they're not. Come on, stupid new magazine. Dump the case trying to get this in here. It's 9. It's 10. Son of a bitch. There. Wow. Excuse me. Alright. Let me get a target. There we are. I found a old basketball that we'll use as a target. I'm going to put the magazine in now. Okay. Our pin block's on. We're on safe, so turn it off safe. That fed just fine. Let's see what I got. Oh, hold on. Pin block, right? Okay. And failure to feed. Okay. Just had to push the slide forward a little. I don't even know if I'm hitting it. That's too difficult. That was the last one, I think. Yep. Looks like we got a few leaks in this now. Wow, that's actually pretty good for one-handed. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all of them. That's exactly where I was aiming too. I'm kind of impressed. Alright, well, I'm going to make another video of taking it apart. So you want to look on the side there, you'll see it coming up. Thanks for watching.